Welcome to all UME 2I students for engineering drawing lecture. Now we will start with the unit 3, that is sections of solids. Now we know the solids such as cylinders, cone, prisms. This is a square prism. This is a pentagonal prism. This is the axis. This is a square pyramid. And this is the axis. This is the hexagonal pyramid. This will be dotted. These are the solids we have already studied. The solid is a plane. This is circle. This is circle. This is a rectangular curved surface. This is a base circle. This is top face and bottom face is square, so it is called square prism. Top face and bottom face is pentagon, so it is called as pentagon prism. Side of the prisms are rectangle. This is a square pyramid. Base is square. All the generators are joined at the one point, that is called apex. This is the center line which is perpendicular to base. Now, what do you mean by sectioning? Sectioning means cutting. Why we have to cut these solids? We have to cut this. Knowledge of shapes and sizes of cut surface of solids after sectioning cutting is essential for design and fabrication welding works. We will obtain different kinds of shapes and sizes. We will develop the product. We will form the aesthetics with the help of cuttings. Now, what do you mean by section plane and its representation? The imaginary plane, it is the imaginary plane which cuts the solid, is called cutting plane or section plane. After the solid is cut, the portion of the solid that lies between the section plane and the observer is assumed to be removed, and views of the remaining portion of the solid is projected on the principal plane, means HP and VP. On HP we observe top view, orthography view. On VP we observe front view. On projector plane we observe the side view of the projection. Now which are the types of sections? Planes. Section plane means cutting planes. Section plane is perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. Section plane perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Section plane perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. Section plane perpendicular to HP and VP. Now, step by step, we will see the drawings of the cutting plane on the principal plane and its effect. Now here is the first type, that is section plane. Perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Now here is the XY line, this is HP plane, this is VP. Now this is the cutting plane. That is perpendicular with respect to VP and parallel to HP. Now here is the orthographic projection. Here the cutting plane acts some distance above the HP. Some distance above HP. This is the distance where the cutting plane is acting. Now here is shown a cone. Now this cone is how you will write the sentence of this cone. The cone is resting on its base on HP. It is resting on its base on HP means its axis is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. This is the orthographic projection. If you draw the orthographic projection of the cone here, this will be basic cone. This will be your top view and front view of the cone. Okay. Now the cutting plane is acting at some distance above HP. Now what will be the front view? Front view will be the single line. Here the cutting plane is acting here. Single line, that is. Now this portion, the base portion is the retained portion remain. This portion is removed. This is shown faint and this portion is shown dotted. So what will be its effect? Now it will be seen a small circle here. Okay, means I will draw the three-dimensional figure here. This is the cone and this much portion is remained. Okay. Now here we have to draw the section line. That is the section of, so because it is parallel and we observe the true shape because it is parallel to HP and perpendicular to EP. This is the section. Single line is obtained in the front view of the cutting plane. If you consider hacksaw, if you cut this cone, this part above between cutting plane and observer is removed and thrown away, then the effect is seen here, and this is called the apparent section. Apparent section. Now we are observing the second type. Here is the cutting plane that is inclined to HP. This is HP and perpendicular to VP. Now this is the stresses we have seen here. That is this is the inclination cutting. The single line is obtained in front view. Here the cone is taken as an example, and it cuts the cone at some axis above the HP. Now if I show here, first we will draw the top view. Axis is perpendicular to HP, so it is drawn in HP. Second, this is center OP axis. Now I will draw the axis. They will give the height of the cone. I will draw the projections here. This is OP. Okay, now at some from base they will give single line is obtained from base, and this is the cutting plane acting at some distance from base or from apex, some distance from apex. Okay, and it is inclined to HP. It is inclined to HP. That is theta. That is called auxiliary inclined plane. Inclined to VP. Sorry, inclined to HP. HP line inclined cutting plane. Where it is acting from, they will give the distance on the axis. At angle, we have to take the protector here. At that position, 10, 20, 30, they will give the angle theta inclined to HP. Now what is the effect here? We will see in the problem how the effect. Now we will not observe the true length. It is seen somewhat area, but this is not true length because cutting plane is inclined. So where we observe the true length, if you draw same parallel line, if you take the photo, if you take the mirror here, we will observe the plane here. This is the cutting plane here acting. And this is the true length. So we have to draw the another cutting plane here. Here we obtain the true length because it is parallel. It will be seen as an ellipse. We will see in the problem. This is the true shape of section. This is the apparent section. Okay. Here is the cutting plane perpendicular. We have shown the cutting plane is perpendicular to which plane? It is perpendicular to HP and parallel to EP. Here they have taken the cone and they have cut the cone. If I draw the figure, top view and front view, where the cutting plane is acting. Now it is acting perpendicular to the single line is obtained on which view? Top view. Here they will give from the center, they will act the cutting plane. Now here the cutting plane is acting at some distance they will give from center axis. This is the axis OP, single line. This is OP perpendicular to HP. This is XY line. VP, HP. Now it is parallel. Now they will give here the cutting plane is acting. Here the effect will be observed here. We will see in the problem. This is a sectional front view. Okay. Now here the section plane or cutting plane is perpendicular to HP and inclined to VP. This is section plane inclined, single line is observed here, inclined to VP. Now if I draw XY line, now cutting plane, this is a VP, HP, inclined to VP. They will give from apex, this is the axis OP, O dash P dash, inclined to VP म्हणजे खाली, inclined to VP. They will give 10 mm away from axis. 10 mm circle we have to draw from apex and we have to draw the cutting wheel. They will give the angle, tangent line. We have to take the protector on the XY line 10, 20, 30 degree. If they give 30 degree, that is phi with respect to VP. That the true shape will be observed here, and here apex is seen in this plane. This is sectional front view. This is true shape of section. This is the apparent section. Okay. Thank you. In the next lecture, we will see the problems, how the true shape of section is obtained, how we have to transfer the points. It is most important to transfer the points, naming the points. It is very much easy chapter. Okay.